God.
Aaron is the train conductor.
Come on, here. Okay.
Come on the corner.
Okay, that's the 405 freeway going south. No, that's not 405.
It's one cord.
No, it's both. Look at them.
Oh, we just now disconnected this side. Look at it. We're not even touching the cord.
Okay, we're going up to the Getty Museum, which is right there. Right, that one. And we're turning. Okay, this is Aaron, Josh, and that's the 405, and my dad is right there with my mom. This is Josh. And this is me. Oh, it's like going up. And there's singing. And what is that?
Smog.
That's the smog.
Smog there. There we go.
There.
You can see all the way down the
That's the 405 freeway, which is so FUCK.
Oh, we're gonna have the side-by-side effect.
And we're gonna pass by with the other tram. They're gonna be on the other side. Hi, other tram.
Be wavy, the people in the front.
Hi.
Be wavy.
Hi. They weren't friendly, you know.
No, that one on the sideways. I don't think she's not with you.
Okay. And I've been arguing with Josh that there is a pathway going here and down.
There it is.
And there should be, that's the white wall. There were people right there walking. And,
This is getting kind of scary now. Look this way. Hey, look this way.
okay. Now it's the scary part. It's going up.
High up. Almost there.
That's the 405 again. And that's the skyline. And my dad is still talking on the phone. Agree? And the kids are right here.
Yeah. You guys can go in the front.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And it's going up. We're almost stopping there. What was that? Barometer? What's that? Barometer? A wind? Whatever? Okay. This is the west side view of Getty.
Mr. John Paul.
And that's the pathway I've been talking to him about, and that there's none. Which is...
I think this is an addition, because I remember before you had to take the tram.
Well, probably because people were complaining that they get
Look, everyone's
nauseous.
leaving, we're the only ones just now getting here.
Yeah, and those are the people that are going back down where we came from, and we're done.
I hope you've enjoyed our tour of the tram. Have yourself a wonderful time at the museum.
That was 4 minutes. Going up.